Today, we take a closer look at the portable power station 600W Surge, with a capacity of 288 Wh. This compact device is designed for individuals who require reliable power on the go, whether for outdoor activities, emergency backup, or simply as a convenient source of energy in various situations. The portable power station boasts a 600-watt surge capacity, making it suitable for a range of devices. It can support smaller appliances, electronics, and even some power tools, providing versatility for users with different power needs. The station's overall capacity of 288 watt-hours offers a practical solution for those looking to charge multiple devices simultaneously. A standout feature of this power station is its variety of output options. Users will find multiple USB ports, AC outlets, and even a DC car port. This range allows for the charging of smartphones, laptops, small refrigerators, and other essential devices. The inclusion of different types of ports enhances its usability, making it a valuable asset for camping trips, tailgating events, or unexpected power outages at home. In terms of design, the portable power station is relatively lightweight and portable, making it easy to transport. Its compact size means it can fit into the trunk of a car or be carried in a backpack, which is particularly beneficial for those who like to travel or engage in outdoor activities. The device also features a handle, adding to its portability and ease of use. When it comes to operation, the power station is user-friendly. It typically includes an LCD display that provides essential information, such as remaining battery life and output wattage. This allows users to monitor their power consumption and make informed decisions about their energy usage. Furthermore, it is designed with safety features to prevent overheating and overcharging, which adds an extra layer of security for users. Overall, the portable power station 600W Surge is a practical tool for anyone in need of a reliable and versatile power source. Its combination of multiple charging options, portability, and user-friendly design makes it suitable for a variety of situations, whether indoors or outdoors. As technology continues to evolve, such portable power stations become increasingly relevant for those seeking convenience and reliability in their power solutions.